The U.S. Treasury sells a savings bond that paid 9.62% interest in May 2022, government guaranteed, and the vast majority of Americans have never purchased one. It's called an I-bond, and its interest rate is mathematically tied to the Consumer Price Index, making it literally impossible for this investment to lose ground to inflation. You can buy up to $10,000 per year per person directly at Treasury Direct.gov, and every dollar of interest earned is permanently exempt from state and local taxes. Even better, cash one out specifically to pay for qualified college tuition, and the federal government waives every cent of tax on your gains completely. We post 3 of these every day. Subscribe to get them all. I-bonds have existed since 1998, but no bank, no broker, and no financial advisor will ever bring them up unprompted. There is zero commission involved for anyone who helps you buy one. Comment below, did you know this one existed?